Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that second generation Toyota Highlander SUVs are prone to experience. Number 1. The variable valve timing actuator sprockets in 3.5-liter engines are prone to malfunction, causing rattling noises during engine cold starts. Number 2. The oil cooler hoses in 3.5-liter engines tend to develop oil leaks over time. To solve this problem and to keep it from reappearing, it's best to install the upgraded metal oil cooler line assembly shown on the screen. Number 3. Some of these SUVs tend to experience a constant door ajar message illuminated on the dashboard along with the audible chime even when all the doors have been closed properly. The problem is normally caused by a defective sensor in the rear hatch door lock actuator. Number 4. Many of these SUVs are prone to experience clunking noises when turning the steering wheel and when driving over bumps. The most common cause is a bad U-joint in the intermediate steering shaft. Number 5. These vehicles tend to suffer from mildew accumulation in the AC evaporator that causes a bad smell when the air conditioning is on. Turning the heater on at the highest setting helps to get rid of the mold, and replacing the cabin filter often helps to minimize the problem. Number 6. The rear wheel bearings are prone to get noisy and to experience premature failure. Number 7. The water pump in 3.5-liter engines tends to get noisy due to a bad bearing, and if not replaced on time, the additional heat caused by the friction damages the water pump seal, causing coolant leaks. Number 8. 2008 to 2010 models tend to suffer from having a defective or malfunctioning sensor in the hood latch. This issue causes the alarm to go off on its own randomly without a cause. Number 9. The exterior paint in these SUVs tends to chip easily. Number 10. The rear wiper motor is prone to experience premature failure. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that second generation Toyota Highlander SUVs are prone to experience. Take care.